Some diseases are brought on by the decline in function, while excess increase of the function also can induce a disease. Thyroid disorder is a disease caused by excess release of the thyroid hormone, leading to abnormalities in visceral organs and eventually changing the physical characteristics.
People living in a modern society are exposed to heavy stress, and this stress is the cause of various illnesses. Thyroid disorder is one of the key illnesses brought on by stress, and it is known to occur 5 times more likely in women than in men. Thyroid disorder is the topic of this edition of Oriental Medical Digest.
Thyroid gland is located on the anterior side of the neck, just below the Adam's apple. The shape resembles a leaf and is divided bilaterally. Few of its known functions are breaking down the nutrition into energy, maintaining homeostasis, and etc.
유전 법칙에 해당은 안 되지만은
The most common cause of thyroid disorder is thought to be genetically related, as it is likely to run in the family. In terms of Oriental medicine, disequilibrium of the constitution or deficient heat in the kidneys and liver are the causes of thyroid disorders. Polluted water and air are other factors.
기를 울체시키는 그러한 음식.
Excess release of the thyroid hormone causes the thyroid gland to enlarge, which leads to some physical changes. Protrusion of the oculus. Increase in appetite by sudden loss of weight. Becomes short-tempered and excite easily. Frequent palpitation. Lack of sense for the coldness and excess sweating in the extremities.
좀 볼까요?
Oriental medicine can make a diagnosis by palpation. Let the patient sit straight with the hands on the knee. Sip of water and swallow facing up. Pay attention to the vertical movement of the neck, and if you notice a mass-moving thyroid enlargement is likely true. The ear acupuncture is an effective treatment method. The ear acupuncture uses thin and short needles due to the high concentration of nerves in the ear.
따끔해요.
These points promote mental stability and normalize the endocrine system.
이건 갑상선 2점이에요. 그래서 갑상선 질환 환자들은
The ear acupuncture is used to give continuous stimulation to aid the treatment.
정상으로 해주는 내분비점.
Acupuncture invisible energy known as qi or life force flows within the meridian. When the flow of qi is obstructed, an disposable acupuncture needle is inserted to invigorate the circulation of qi.
We'll insert acupuncture needles on the points related to the liver and heart. This point on the dorsal side of the foot is called taechung, which invigorates the liver function.
정신적인 안정을 기하기 위해서
The next point is called samumgyo, good for calming the spirit and often used for gynecological problems.
족삼리혈이거든요. 그래서 위경락을 같이 치료하는 거죠.
This point is choksamni, and it tonifies the digestive faculties.
이쪽은 신문혈인데
This point is shinmun. It calms and stabilizes the spirit.
마음을 평정시키는 그런 작용을 하죠. 그리고 또 이 안쪽에
The last point is sohe, for strengthening the energy of the heart.
심장의 기를 보강해주는 그런 작용을 하죠.
Next treatment method uses moxibustion. Moxibustion warms the affected area to invigorate the blood circulation and discharge the toxins and waste materials of the blood. The size of moxibustion cone depends on the severity of a disease.
그런 경락이기 때문에
Moxibustion for the thyroid disorders strengthens the energy of heart and liver. Moxibustion cones must be removed before the skin burns.
Male thyroid disorder patients often complain about the decrease in sexuality. Treating thyroid disorder can help these people to regain their sexuality. Let's explore the medication used in the treatment for the thyroid disorders.
Few notable signs in the female patients with the thyroid disorders are mental anxiety, pain in the flank area, and heavy sighing. For treating thyroid disorders, 4 herbs play a significant role. Shiho stabilizes the spirit. Hyangbuja stabilizes the abnormality due to the thyroid disorders. Jigak and Daebukpi directly treats the thyroid dysfunctions. Each are prescribed 4 grams each, but may be altered based on the condition and constitution. All these herbs are decocted together for 2 to 3 hours. Herbal extract is packaged into a vacuum-sealed pack for an easier consumption. All these process is done in sophisticated way. If taken 3 times daily, it can be useful to prevent thyroid disorder. Herbal remnants makes an excellent fertilizers. A pillow filled with the natural herbs may be used for treating the thyroid disorders. Herbs used here are kwakhyang to calm the mental energy, Pakha to reduce anxiety and tension, and lastly, Kukwa to clear the head. This pillow helps to alleviate insomnia, excess dreaming, and assist in achieving a comfortable sleep.
스트레스를 받을 일 갖다 가능한 한
The patient must work to reduce stress levels and consult a doctor to change the body constitution by eating appropriate foods and taking proper drugs. Eating large amounts of vegetables and a good environment, such as clean air and water, are prerequisites for a successful treatment.
같은 그런 약차를 복용하는 것이죠.
Reducing your stress level is the key criteria in the treatment for the thyroid disorders. Patients should make commitment to change the wrongful living pattern to remove the cause of a disease. How about stepping aside from the busy schedule and invest some time for yourself? Daily living according to the philosophy of Oriental medicine can help you to rejuvenate.